Long-standing OLED MacBook Pro is finally out of concept. Some displays will begin the of the 8th generation OLED display according to Korean publication The Elec. The company plans to ship 2 million for Apple by the end of 2026 with Foxconn receiving displays from Q3 for final. OLED MacBook Pro launch window is Q4 2026, run from October to December. The earlier than some predictions, with several reporting saying it will arrive until 2027. Apple expected to offer both 14-inch and 16-inch versions of M6 series chips and the first complete redesign since 2021. Makes it different from current MacBooks. Some 8th generation OLED tech represents a leap from mini LED displays Apple currently uses. The panel delivers two blacks, better contrast, and improved power efficiency. Apple uses OLED in iPhones, Apple Watches, and iPro, so bringing this technology to Mac feels the next natural step. Redesign include thinner chassis and hole punch camera instead of the notch. Multiple suggests Apple adding touch for the first time in MacBook history with reinforced hinges to prevent tongue wobble. They're completely reversible for Apple's long stance against touchscreen laptop. Pricing will jump from current models, which is $2,000 for 14-inch, $2,500 for 16-inch. OLED MacBook Pro marks the 20th anniversary of MacBook Pro lineup, so Apple's time seems to be perfect for the major components are still under development since Apple keep tweaking designs to cut cost. China BOE wants to supply OLED display, but Samsung panels will ship this year. Touch-enabled MacBook has been rumored for years. 2026 seems to be the final year when Apple deliver on those promises.